I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory from Dory's Dollies, we are doing Hi Barbie. I love these 28-inch, yes, 28-inch Barbies. I have quite a collection of them. I probably have, well, I have quite a few, and I have, what, 6 or 7 still in boxes.
Yeah.
Some have more articulation. This one does not. What is it? The arms articulate, but the legs do not. I can't remember. But they're very pretty dolls. Most of mine I got thrifting. Look at the hair. She's so beautiful. They have regular, what do you call it? False eyelashes, which I think's real cute. I wish that now a lot of the newer ones do have removable shoes. Hers are not. They are not only on there, they're painted on. Not a fan of that, but she's still really a cute doll. And when you get one, she has shoes because the foot is what would you call that? Unique size. Today she's holding her flowers because the challenge was flowers or fringe. And I didn't have a flower dress for these size Barbies, but I wanted to show something different, a different Barbie. Each month, Dory and I offer the Hi Barbie Challenge, and it's for any Barbie at all. We just want you to join in on the fun. And if you have today, would you please leave a note in my comments that you too have a video so that I won't miss it. Be sure and go by Dory's and all the other channels today that are showing a Hi Barbie video. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
She is really cute. I haven't seen you bring one of these out in a while.
That's why I did. I thought I'd bring something different down. I have a lot of these dolls. I don't count my dolls. I don't count my collection. I don't count my collection within a collection. It's just not a good thing to do.
Could we get some out in the studio? That's pretty.
Some of these?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see.
Oh, that's no.